Hey everyone, welcome to Lee's Garage. Today we're doing an exhaust video on my 2012 Cadillac Escalade. It's a 6.2 that is completely stock except for a Brian Tooley Stage 2 V2 truck cam. Now the reason I'm making this video is because when I wanted to put this cam in this truck, I wondered what it was going to sound like through stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, and a completely stock exhaust, and I couldn't find any videos that I felt were adequate in showing what this thing sounds like, and I'm gonna do my best in this video. And honestly, I don't know, it's hard to say if this is even adequate. So let me give you a little story on the truck. This truck lost oil pressure, and so we went through it, deleted the VVT, deleted the DOD, and put a Brian Tooley cam in it with LS7 lifters and just the standard like DOD delete package from Brian Tooley. And when we did that, I had my engine builder go through and do rings and bearings and set all the tolerances. And you can see in a pool video that we do here that the oil pressure is dead set at 50 PSI now. It used to be in the low teens at idle. So anyhow, the primary deal was we were just putting a cam in it because I wanted to delete the DOD. And I kept stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, stock exhaust, stock intake manifolds, stock intake air box, and everything. This thing made 355 wheel horsepower on the dyno, and I don't know how much of a gain that was because I didn't tune it. I didn't dyno it stock, but it's a riot to drive. Now for the sound, we're gonna do like a cold start, and I'm gonna let it idle, and I'm gonna let I have a long recorded video of that I'm gonna let you choose how much of it you want to listen to. And I have a Dyno Pull and some like in-car video too. But in the video it sounds a little more tame than it does in person. The best way I can describe it is that if you know what a modified car sounds like, this might catch your ear. Like if it pulls up, it's very quiet, but it's like throaty. And it like, when my wife, this is my wife's daily driver, when she used to come home, and let's say I was in the back of the house, I wouldn't hear her pull into the garage. But now the car, it doesn't seem louder, but it's more like, so I can hear it and kind of feel it when it comes in the garage. So anyhow, it's not a nuisance at all, and I do plan on put long tube headers and a Y pipe on this thing. So if I do that, I'll keep the stock exhaust and I'll post another video. But anyways, that's it. Take a listen. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is kind of a boring video for me, but I know that people want to hear what these things sound like. If you're interested in Ford Power Strokes, dent side Ford pickups, Datsun pickups, 65 Nova, 67 Cougar. What else do we have? Oh, 75 Courier, that's gonna be rad. We got all kinds of cool stuff here. My son, I think we're gonna be picking up a Duster in a week or two. We got some cool stuff coming. If you want, take a look at my other videos, like, subscribe, do the thing, okay? Take care, guys.